Mentioned touched on the Bitcoin ETF, or the excitement around the possibility of a Bitcoin ETF.
Yes.
What do you make of that? Do you think that an approval would open the floodgates to adoption?
Yeah. No, thanks, Nico. I'm personally very excited about the ETFs, the ETPs, however you want to define the products, the approval in the US. I mean, we saw on Monday with the fake news coming out, the market spike that caused, which shows two things: the lack of liquidity still in the market, but also gave us a taste of what is to come once these products. And I'm really, I want to say when, not if, because I'm convinced.
When, not if. Time to open the floodgates. Bitcoin just hit 43,000.
That they will, and it's a wrapper that institutions are familiar with. I want to come back to the point that we all know here how to navigate a wallet and how to do crypto transactions. Institutions, just by buying an ETF, they don't have to do that, and that's familiarity. It's security. And so to answer your question, yeah, I'm really excited about it.
Mentioned touched on the Bitcoin.
Really excited about it, guys. We got a lot to talk about. Woke up this morning, the bull run has begun. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the XRPL Apple partnership. Machine learning algorithm predicts XRP price for Christmas Day. We're going to talk about that. Bitcoin's on fire. Got some XRP news, of course. Ryan Zagone, former Ripple employee, Faster Payments Task Force, Fed Reserve.
Proof of work doesn't work. 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 It's been widely.
Ryan, proof of work's been working.
Let me finish. Proof of work doesn't work.
Let him finish, please.
And in the early days of Bitcoin, there was a whole group of developers that broke off to create other assets, XRP being one of them, that doesn't use mining, that's cheaper from an energy perspective than Visa, and already scales to 1,500 transactions a second. A lot of these problems have already been solved. The challenge for adoption comes back to policy. The policy uncertainty around some of the assets has limited adoption, particularly here in the US. And I'm speaking from Ripple and XRP because we use that asset because it's a half cent per payment. It's basically free. It scales and it's efficient. So 1,500 transactions a second at nearly no energy burn. So we're at a point today where there are real solutions to all of these challenges that already exist. Policy has become the challenge. And we heard on the first panel that around centralization on China, and this is going to be a hard pill for Peter to swallow. But 80% of the mining power for Bitcoin is controlled by 6 mining pools, 5 of which are in China. Today, the policy certainty in the US exists for Bitcoin and Ethereum, despite the fact those are China-controlled platforms. So activity goes to those platforms. What we need to do from a policy perspective in the US is look at the places where there are uncertainty. And one place, I'm speaking directly for me here, is XRP, where it looks like Bitcoin. It's decentralized, it's open source. We have 7% of the validation power on that, rather small in there. Grouping or giving clarity to those ones that are very similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum, that have the same characteristics and should be classified the same way. And then we're creating a level playing field across all the cryptos. I'm not anti-Bitcoin or anti-Ethereum by any means. I think there's a lot of great potential and breakthrough there. But we need to have a level playing field so the market can pick which ones they want to use and not be, as today they are, hindered by regulatory uncertainty.
Time for a level playing field. Ryan Zagone broke it down wonderful. Shout out to Riz.xrp at RizXRP. Ryan Zagone, proof of work doesn't work. Level playing field. You guys remember the clip I put up a few weeks ago where I asked Ryan Zagone in person about the position of Ripple on the Faster Payments Task Force. This is a big deal right here. Bitcoin passes 42,000. Bitcoin is on a roll, outshining global giants in the stock market. It's now more valuable than the powerhouse Berkshire Hathaway. Bitcoin is more valuable than Warren Buffett's company. Rise above 800 billion in December, 4th after nudging past the billionaire investor Warren Buffett's holdings company December 3rd as Bitcoin crushes Berkshire Hathaway, crushes 40,000. Market cap of the cryptocurrency rose above 780 billion December 3rd, just beating Berkshire Hathaway. That's a pretty big deal right there. I'm loving the way that sounds. I might have to use that for my thumbnail. Guys may have seen this right here. The legend Ripple Wells, no, zero doubt. This came out right here. Brad Garlinghouse is the 2023 comeback king with XRP win over SEC. In all my years here, I ain't seen anything like this before. You guys are in for a treat. Ripple co-founder Brad Garlinghouse triumphed this year in legal case for big implications for crypto's future. He couldn't have done it without the XRP army. I think they're talking about the founder of the XRP army. CKJ Crypto News. Been creating crypto XRP content since 2017. Really good write-up on CoinDesk on Brad Garlinghouse, giving thanks to the XRP army. They highlighted the proper party in New York. I believe so many people covered that. I'm just going to cover some of the stuff we got pulled up today. Also, guys, do not forget 𝕊𝕚𝕟𝕤 token is available on Bitrill, XRPayNet, baby. Also, you can download one of the baddest wallets on the planet, the Volta wallet. Link in the description. And XRPayNet has been on fire a little bit. Discover the power of Volta's native token built on XRPL. XRPayNet built on XRPL. Well, everybody wanted XRP to decouple from Bitcoin. Clearly, that happened. XRP Venture. It's pretty interesting. Shout out to XRP Venture, one of my past favorite guests. XRP, James Meyer says XRP seems to have been fast relate to previous bull runs. Won't be surprised if it's the last group to run up this time as well. That's pretty interesting. I think XRP and Bitcoin do have different bull cycles. Unfortunately, they have different bull cycles. I'm not here to bring FUD. Win 300 per XRP. Venture says soon. I'm liking the way that sounds. Digital Asset Daily Dad. Remember, Ripple extended the 1 billion XRP monthly escrow release. That was ending this month until 2027. Beginning of the month, it was just released. Only 800 million returned to escrow. That's pretty interesting right there. That is pretty interesting. Now, I do have some more articles I want to cover really quick here. One is Bitcoin miner Phoenix surges 50% after 371 million Abu Dhabi IPO. This is the reason Bitcoin's on fire. Because the Abu Dhabi company had an IPO. It's a Bitcoin mining facility. Crypto Mining and Phoenix Group has debuted trading on the Abu Dhabi Security Exchange with the stock. Crypto mining firm Phoenix has debuted trading on Abu Dhabi Security Exchange, becoming one of the Middle East's first publicly listed industry firms. They're buying some big time Bitcoin in the Middle East. The Phoenix Group stock price opened at 2.25 dirhams on December 5th, according to the data. The price has soared as much as 50% from the initial IPO. The public listing comes a few weeks after Phoenix Group successfully closed its IPO over subscription of 33 times, selling 970 million shares, around 1.3 billion. A portion of the IPO reserves for retail investors was oversubscribed 180 times, while professional investors oversubscribed to the offering 22 times. The cryptocurrency miner aims to use the IPO proceeds to fund its future growth and deliver positive returns for investors. According to the Phoenix Group co-founder, the company's ambitions are anchored by 4 pillars: innovation in Bitcoin mining, renewable energy, advanced manufacturing capabilities, and strategic acquisitions. Founded in 2015, the Phoenix is a major company in the Middle East blockchain industry, collaborating with major regional authorities. In August 2023, Phoenix signed an agreement to build a 300 million crypto mining farm. Guys, this is a very big deal right here. I believe Bitcoin is going to do big numbers on its way to 1 million, 100,000, 200,000. Just saying. DeFi. MicroStrategy is up 2 billion. Excuse me. MicroStrategy is in $2 billion in profit. $2 billion in profit. That is pretty impressive there. What's this right here? From the average price of around 30,000 per Bitcoin, he purchased 174,000 BTC, or now worth a whopping 7.3 billion. That's amazing. I've been down the rabbit hole a little bit today.
We tend to be so America focused if we're onshore in the United States, because there is a daily news flow coming out of Washington, D.C. And whether Gary Gensler flossed his teeth this morning does make news in the crypto sphere, but that's not what really is driving it. There's definitely it's a global market, truly a global market. There's a lot more adoption offshore.
It's a global market. There's a lot more adoption offshore. This is Caitlin Long, CEO of Bank, Custodial Bank CEO Caitlin Long, U.S. This is a global industry. She also has a regulated custodian in Wyoming. Pretty big deal right there. Machine learning algorithm predicts XRP price for Christmas Day. The algorithm projects XRP will increase by the end of the month, representing a slight 0.07% increase from the current asset and price time of publication. The parameters are set to suggest a recommendation to sell. You know, I was going to skip over this article, but it's still going to be a hell of a clickbait title, I'm not going to lie. Machine learning algorithm predicts XRP price for Christmas Day. They're pretty much suggesting that XRP may be oversold as of Christmas Day, but this is AI. As Christmas festive season draws near, it often sees a surge in investor interest, many looking for promising opportunities to achieve significant returns. XRP, known as the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, stands out as the primary choice for holiday investments. This period, seasonal market trends were bullish. Sentiment can prevail, driven by increased leisure time for trading, year-end business, investing, general optimism outlook for the upcoming year. Historically, some cryptos have exhibited a rise in values around this time, enticing investors to anticipate similar trends, with assets like XRP attracting those looking to capitalize. Now I'll get to the part where, considering these dynamics, price predictions for its AI. So this is only an AI model, so I wouldn't really want to take this pretty serious, but these are pretty interesting attention grabbers. AI-driven machine learning algorithm. These algorithms evaluate the market conditions. Indicators predict the probability of XRP experiencing gains by Christmas Day. The algorithm project that XRP will increase to 0.61. Now, I think XRP is already at 60 cents right now as we speak. I'm going to have to check the price on that to verify with this article on CoinMarketCap. I think we're at 60 cents right now. Yeah, 61 cents right now. So if we go back to the article itself, the price will increase to 61 by the end of the month. We're at 61 cents right now, representing a slight 0.072% increase. The perimeter is set with the sales signal on November 16th when XRP was 64 cents. Okay, this article did come out in December, just a few days ago. This suggests a recommendation to sell XRP at that time. Okay, that makes more sense. Anticipating a pattern called the inverse head and shoulders. This pattern could indicate a trend reversal from a downtrend to an uptrend. The analyst highlights a price level of 0.57, which is crucial for this potential reversal. If the price drops below this level, it could invalidate an idea for a bullish reversal, suggesting the downtrend might continue. That's the part I was talking about. At the time of the press, XRP was trading around 61%, representing an increase of 1% in the previous 24 hours. These gains comes a week after crypto lost 1%. In the last year, XRP has increased 53%, allowing it to outperform 64% of the top 100 cryptos. This crypto trades above its 200-day simple moving average while expanding 18 green days in the last 30. However, it is essential to note that this digital asset is experiencing a high level of yearly inflation, which amounts to 16%, with the price being down 84% from its all-time high. That's what I'm saying. That it's not really super bullish on the AI article, but what can I say? It's an AI article. I wouldn't take it too serious. Crypto is very unpredictable. You could wake up at XRP be $2, Solana be 120. We're calling Solana 100 by Christmas. We'll see. XRPL wallet Xumm boasts XRP payment with Apple Pay integration. Xumm wallet integrated topper by Uphold payment app with ties to Apple and Google Pay. Yumm, a primary wallet servicing users on XRP Ledger, has unveiled expanded access to Apple Pay and Google Pay through its latest edition of payments on-ramp protocol topper by Uphold. That's pretty interesting right there. I thought this was also interesting, guys. Also, keep your eyes on Polkadot. Remember CKJ said it. Polkadot's Web3 Foundation dives into real-world asset with $1 million investment. Now, this is really interesting here. Web3 Foundation, a Polkadot outfit, has invested $1 million into Centrifuge, real-world asset platform. This injection trails similar moves from top protocols like Maker and Avalanche. So keep your eyes on Maker, Polkadot, and Avalanche. Maker ticker is MKR, Avalanche is AVAX, and Polkadot is DOT. The Web3 Foundation, a key driving force behind the initiative, Polkadot Network has embarked on a new journey by investing $1 million to push the development and adoption of real-world assets. According to the report, the strategic move aligns with the Foundation's vision for fostering growth and innovation within Polkadot's infrastructure. The investment channel through Centrifuge marks a step towards bringing the gap between traditional finance and decentralized systems. This gesture is notably not reflected in Polkadot's price yet, which I agree. Polkadot's going to do big numbers. The cryptocurrency stands a lot to gain with the move in the long run. Currently, Polkadot is trading around $5. I did look into the Centrifuge founder because I was curious who these individuals were. Web3 Foundation Strategic Partnership. Lucas Vogelsang, co-founder of Centrifuge, highlighted the potential of the collaboration. With this collaboration between Centrifuge and Web3 Foundation, the stage is set for significant growth and innovation for real-world assets using Polkadot's infrastructure. So I did look up Centrifuge's website and something jumped out at me on here. If you go back up here to the top, real-world DeFi assets, platform for on-chain finance, how it works, vote, Maker. Maker's backed by Coinbase, Centrifuge. Now, I did see Coinbase on here and Base. Where did I see that at? Real-world utility. Oh, right here. Working with Maker, AAVE, Block Tower. Here's Coinbase Base. So this is a very big deal for Centrifuge and Polkadot. Circle USDC and Ethereum. So don't sleep on Polkadot. Only at $5 per dot. I did look up the founder of Centrifuge. Lucas spent 6 years in Silicon Valley where he was working with early stage startups, where he met Centrifuge co-founder Lucas Vogelsang and the CEO and co-founder of Centrifuge, focusing on bringing real-world assets to DeFi since early days of Ethereum. That's pretty interesting right there. I am curious on the all-time high on Polkadot. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just documenting my journey on the evolution of money. We're going to drop daily videos, daily live streams. We go live in a half hour at 1 p.m. EST. Make sure you guys help out the channel. We're looking for 333 thumbs up. I think Polkadot has yet to perform this year. So we drop down to 5 right there. But let's check the all-time high on DOT, $50. That's not bad. DOT's still up 100% on the yearly. It's up 2%. Monthly, 17%. 5. So I really won't drop below 5. 4. 5, 3. Let's see. Okay, early 2023, you could have got it for about $3. That's not bad. Polkadot's climbing slowly but surely. Like I said, guys, we're looking for 333 thumbs up. If you can help out the channel, it would be greatly appreciated. And do not forget to subscribe and hit your notification bell. So I will see you guys in live stream?